In this video, we're going to show you how to make the most of your workflows with the Asana bot for Webex Teams. Let's say I'm planning an event for some colleagues in Webex Teams, brainstorming back and forth with messaging on any device. Rather than interrupting the flow and checking for updates in Asana, I can always be up to date with notifications in Webex Teams. I've created a notification workflow so others can see when a new task is created. When a team member updates a task, the rest of the team will see that too. There are many other notification workflows we can use to keep event planning ahead of schedule. For example, we can update about important subtasks related to the event. By bringing Asana and Webex Teams together, your team can stay up to date, up to speed, and well informed.